and gentlemen, welcome back on my channel Crypto Victoria. So guys, Victoria is here with another amazing review with for my audience, for my viewers. So guys, let's go. Here is I am talking about Bitroot protocol layer mainnet now goes live. So here you have to join guys. This is very awesome and amazing platform that is based on Bitcoin network. Here you have to join Bitroot protocol layer mainnet goes live, and this is an amazing native smart contract and programmable access protocol guys. And this is our version 2 where we have to now live and now we have to launch again. So you have to must join and you have to invite your friends and family at here. Before starting their further amazing interesting review, I would request, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for my further upcoming videos notification. As you know, I always come and amazing and new reviews of amazing platform on my channel guys. So here these are our partners. Which one? That is Galaxy and QSTAN, KOI into. These are the all of our exclusive partners guys. And guys, this is our Bitroot protocol that we have to do functionally. Bitcoin ecosystem simplify the process of assist, insurance and management, which turns it into a more comprehensive distributive computing platform that feeds the ecosystem continue to grow rather than just a tool for storing value or paying their bills. So simplifying the process of assist, of management, smart contract implementations, and development of ecosystem. And guys, we have to do an excellent and powerful features on Bitroot VM solutions, that we have a virtual machine that runs on Bitcoin network that's provide its native assist with the programmable capacity, including mining, launching, transferring, and managing of the easiest. So here you have to launch our app and Bitroot the VN, that's we have to do a smart contract assist management guys. Develop BTC apps by realizing treating complete smart contracts compatible with the other Bitcoin native assets to bring more liquidity to the ecosystem. And we have to cross chain and interoperability guys, port cross bridges on the assist of BTC mainnet and with Bitroot layer. So Lightning Network to accelerate cross chain spend, and aggregation of DeFi and Web3 increasing our now use case by introducing native BTC into a DeFi platform, simplifying UI and UX, provide tools to ensuring encourage developers and users. So guys, I have placed all of the official links of Bitroot in my video description. You can simply click and you can join. Before starting their further amazing review, I want to say that I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research before any investment guys. I'm not responsible for your any profit or loss. So guys, now here is time to meet our excellent and brilliant team which is working on the Bitroot, and these are very awesome guys and they're very well. Like meet our CEO founder John Joss, that have a financial capabilities, degrees, and a very intellectual personality in Bitroot. They are doing there very well. And if you not meet our CMO, that's the very fantastic person, and he is a very active goal. Have too much degrees on the from another universities. He do from business director at American Exchange, and we have to deep team of Web3 crypto and finance. Meet our CIO, that is Sanji, and he is also intellectual, very beautiful. Who she is performing there very well. And still you have to question. Then you can submit here. You can ask your question here. So guys, you have to join our Telegram community. Here you get our latest announcement about Bitroot DEO, a layer 2 scaling solution for Bitcoin to help enable further technologies innovations on the Bitcoin network. Here is also our link tree is available in our Telegram community. So guys, here you have to follow, like, comment, and this is a decentralized platform that is focused on associations and innovative financial network within the Bitcoin ecosystem. Here you have to follow. And guys, this is very exciting news here on our Twitter account that Bitroot V2 version is now live for you, and we are bringing you to our new features, smoother performance, and plenty of surprises for our viewers. And here you have to join and follow. The movement of history is now approaching. Are you ready for the Bitroot protocol layer mainnet? Only one day, so you have to just count down. It's now started, and guys, you are ready for this amazing review of this amazing awesome platform. That's our only one day remaining, so you have to must take this out guys. This is our Bitrate medium. Here you can get our all of the BRT and with exclusive NFT rewards for you. So you have to must check this out. And guys, this is our what is about Bitroot. Here is an overview about Bitroot. You have to just download this, and here you can get Bitroot solutions, and also you can check out what is the Bitroot VM. And here you can also check out, guys, the Bitroot extension layer, native extensive, each and everything about Bitroot is available here. You have to just check this out. You have to download, and you can read all about our tokenomics, our token, that what we have to do when we have to started this. So now it's on to you. You have to must join this, guys. If you like my video, see you next video. Thanks for watching.